In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome wallpaper. By the end, your new tab page will have a fresh look, and you won't need any extensions or complicated settings to get it done. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. This matters because the customization options live on the new tab page, not on regular websites. If you're already browsing, just open a new blank tab so you can see the Chrome start screen with the search bar and shortcuts. Now look to the bottom right corner of that page and click Customize Chrome. Depending on your version, you might see a small pencil or color palette icon, but it will be labeled Customize Chrome. If you don't see it right away, make sure you really are on a new tab and not on a page you've navigated to. A panel will pop up. In that panel, click Change Theme. This is where Chrome stores all the built-in backgrounds and color combinations. It's more than just a picture. The theme can also subtly adjust the browser's color accents, so your tabs and toolbar match the wallpaper you pick. You'll now see categories under Themes. Choose a category you like. Categories help you narrow things down. For example, you might see options inspired by nature, landscapes, abstract art, or simple colors. Picking a category doesn't lock anything in. It just filters the gallery so it's easier to browse. From within that category, select a wallpaper you want to use. When you click a wallpaper, Chrome shows you an instant preview on your new tab page so you can see exactly how it looks before leaving the panel. Take a second to check readability. Make sure the search box and shortcuts still stand out and that the colors aren't too distracting for your day-to-day use. If it's not quite right, simply click a different wallpaper until you find the one that feels just right. Once you're happy with your choice, just click Exit. There's no separate Save button here. Chrome automatically saves your new wallpaper and applies the theme immediately. Your new background will appear on all new tabs you open with this profile, and the color accents will carry through your browser Chrome for a consistent look. That's it. If you ever want to change it again or switch to a different vibe for a new season or project, repeat these exact steps and pick another wallpaper or category. Keeping your browser visually comfortable can make long work sessions a little easier, and with Chrome's built-in themes, it only takes a moment. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed Chrome.